Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. As I said in my previous video, I would talk over the re-education camp. So let's begin with it. First, look this map. This is our execucite land of India, and that is Xi'an. Let's talk about a little bit history. In 18th century, the area was conquered by Quang dynasty. After the revolt in 1862 or 1877, when the Quang dynasty was collapsed in 1911, Xiang remained nationally a province within the newly proclaimed, but very weak after the civil war in 1949. This part come again under the People's Republic of China and soon come under the Mao Zedong. The people of that landscape was concerned and clamoring of independence nation. In response, Mr. Mao Zedong launched operation in Zhejiang region and other hand sending the Han Chinese people in this region to overcome the population of Uyghurs. Gradually, the Han Chinese was growing. In repercussion, a massive clash occurred between them. After this clash, the People Liberation Army carried out a brutal and erroneous, obnoxious maneuvers over the exquisite land of Uyghur. Consequences of the maneuvers operation: a mass execution of Uyghur, one place to others. That is only first step to eradicate and separate them. Some of number and some of human right activists suggest that perhaps 30% of population curtailed in this obnoxious maneuvers. Now Mr. Mao Zedong era come. As per my previous question, so-called re-education camp idea was Mr. Xi Jinping through his regional party chief Chen Quango. In this concentration camp, too much surveillance system surrounded by a technology or a well efficient police of Chinese or God. The eradication of religious had led to destroy all the mosque and religious figures. Xiang in the Xiang, including Imam Asian Sarain, he was a famous in Kashgar. This indication shows no sign to end. When I read these data or estimate, I cried, brothers and sisters. I can't tell you those actions, but I can tell you the least, which is the enough. Let me tell you, in the camp, 1.5 or more than 2 million people are being detained, tortured, and compelled taking work by the companies, and in the companies including very biggest companies or well executed brands such as Jara, Sonic, or Dell, or or Hair, uh, or many companies, BMW and BMW and many companies. Let's talk about the what is happening with the women in this concentration camp. The women have been detained, sexually assaulted, and electrocuted. According to Ziauddin, the Uyghur woman, particularly in Kashgar, she spent 9 months in the concentration camp. She says after the midnight, the Chinese police or guard come. They bring women in their room as per they want, and they fruition upon their self over them, and then left them in the camp again. That was daily routine of them, and that was obnoxious. She said she cannot forget these obnoxious fruition by them. One another woman shared its story with one activist that she detained 18 months. She said the beautiful young woman in night market sell. They do sell the hair also. You can imagine that. Uh, Jivadun Jivadun identify all satellites image when one reporter said to her to to know or identify these are satellite. It is true or false. She said no, these are the right, because she was live there and she knew everything. These satellite images shows that 26 concentration camp occurred in the particularly Xiang region and going on. Jauddin said that there was 4 type of electric shock they have been given to every woman. First one, the glaive. Second one, the latment. Third one, rape with stick. And five one, rape with electric shock. Uh, she says in the concentration camp, spent hours singing patriotic Chinese song and watching patriotic TV program about Chinese President Xi Jinping. Brothers and sisters, you can imagine what is happening in this concentration camp. So I request you, brothers and sisters, please support me to continue this series of aggression of China, in particular Xinjiang region. For this, I need your support. Please subscribe